Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you one of my favorite pickles and a very healthy pickle, which is the gooseberry pickle. So this pickle takes a lot of preparation, and first off you need to have good quality gooseberries, maybe from your garden or you could buy it from the market. And you have to soak this in salt and vinegar for a few days, maybe a week or a month is very good. Once these are softened after soaking very well, you have to prepare the masala. So, to prepare the dry masala or the spices that go in the pickle, you have to dry roast fenugreek seeds, peppercorns, mustards, mustard seeds, and jeera. So, mustard is mustard down, and then along with that, mustard seeds. Make a dry powder out of all these ingredients and keep it aside. I would like to make a special mention here that this video is dedicated to my mother who has given me the recipe. Thank you, Mom. A lot of oil, a little bit, maybe 1 or 2 teaspoons is more than enough. Add mustard seeds, let them splutter. Add cumin seeds. I have already prepared the dry ingredients and kept it as a powder, which I will be adding. Here I am now adding some curry leaves. I added the dry ingredients now along with some red chili powder and some salt. Be careful how much salt you want to add, that is as per your taste. Salt also helps in preservation. That's all friends. Mix all the ingredients very well, and here is your very own gooseberry pickle. Enjoy it. If you have liked this video, please feel free to like and share this with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a blessed day. Stay safe.